Last week, I show you to create a file like this, right? This is the configuration file of Virtuoso. Then you need to source it. You need to source opt-rc eda. You need to source this file. opt-eda. Then you can run Virtuoso. You can run this command. However, you will see this error message. We need to solve this problem. So let's take a look at this problem. This problem shows that Virtuoso is unable to load the shell library called lib.crypto.so.10. What should you do now to solve this problem? You can go to packages.debian.org. This is the website. Sorry, I changed this to English. Okay, we can use English. Okay, this is the package querying site in Debian. This is the official site. So now you see the message telling you that your system do not have this file, right? Then you go to packages.debian.org and search the contents of packages. Then you press search, click. Okay, and it shows you that there are two packages you need to take a look at. This one, lib.crypto.so.10. The package name is called nsite system -target. So we may install this package. In our system. So we can type apt-get install and paste. Okay, then press Y. Then you can see that this is a package, but in order to install this package, it also install a lot of different packages. So it requires to get 214 mega of archives, and when this procedure is done, it uses almost 1 gigabyte of system space. So that's why I tell you, you need to use a large hard disk to install EDA tools. If you want to configure a system, you need to use at least, actually 1 terabyte is not enough. I strongly suggest you use 2 TB hard disk drive, more than 2 TB, in case you're running out of your space. Okay, so we are going to download and install the files now. So let's see what happens if we download. What happens after we install this package? Okay, install this package. This is just one way to solve the problem. There are some packages that cannot be found in this place. They cannot be fixed using this way. We can go to okay, you can see this is a very long procedure. I will leave the command to you. Okay, I will give you back your control. Then you can follow my procedure. Okay, let's take a look at the system. Your system just complete this procedure, right? You just finish this command. Then we can run the same command again. What? You see, it still cannot find lib.crypto.so.0. Okay, so we need to try to fix this data. If you are unable to locate the package, you need to modify package configuration. You need to go to Okay, you need to go here, vi sources.list. I already tell you to learn vi. Then you need to add the contribute non-free into your configuration. Basically, your configuration is just a bookworm main non-free firmware. However, you need to add the contribute and the non-free. Okay, every line except security. You don't need to modify this in security. You need to modify this in your database setting and bookworm update. You need to modify this too. You may be able to install this file now. Okay.